For this project I used walnut and black locust. Threw in a little bit of a blue epoxy and crossed my fingers and hoped for the best. Hope you folks enjoy this video. Well, everything was going well up to this point. This is where I didn't add enough hardener to the epoxy. I had to step away from what I was doing for a while, and when I came back, I didn't take note of where exactly I stopped, and I just added the second portion of the epoxy. And yeah, the epoxy didn't cure the way it needed to cure. Well, I was surprised with the final outcome. It didn't work out the way I planned, but it also isn't one of my worst projects. Doesn't really matter how much I sanded, I couldn't get that high gloss finish on the epoxy and the clarity in the epoxy. But it is what it is. If you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support, and as always, thanks for watching.